fracture glows where the daylight ends. The sky is torn, it will never mend. Colors bleed into soundless waves, carrying secrets no one saves. I hear the voices faint and low, from places where the lost ones go. Whispers in the broken horizon, shadows drift where the light is gone. Stories carved in the fading silence, calling me as the night moves on. Mountains bend like forgotten spires, ashes fall from the quiet fires. Every star is a shattered glass, echoing truths that cannot last. The air is trembling, cold and near. I feel their presence, sharp and clear. Whispers in the broken horizon, shadows drift where the light is gone. Stories carved in the fading silence, calling me as the night moves on. Beyond the edge where the heavens fade, I chase the sound that the dark has made. Through every crack in the sky so wide, the whispers lead from the other side. Whispers in the broken horizon, guiding me where I can't belong. Through the fractures I keep on rising, to the place where the dawn is gone. In the broken horizon, a fracture glows where the daylight ends. The sky is torn, it will never mend. Colors bleed into soundless waves, carrying secrets no one saves. I hear the voices faint and low, from places where the lost ones go. Whispers in the broken horizon, shadows drift where the light is gone. Stories carved in the fading silence, calling me as the night moves on.